A man has admitted murdering his ex-girlfriend and her sister with a crossbow and their mother with a knife in an attack at their family home. Carl Hunt, 61, was stabbed to death, and Anna Hunt, 28, and Louise Hunt, 25, who suffered fatal crossbow bolt injuries in Berkshire near Watford on 9th of July. Kyle Clifford, 26, from North London, changed his previous not guilty pleas to their murders during an appearance with a video link at Cambridge Crown Court. The three women were the wife and daughters of BBC racing commentator John Hunt, and Louise was a former partner of Clifford. Clifford of Wendelesham Road changed his pleas, having denied the murdering of three women during a hearing at the same court in December. He has also now pleaded guilty to false imprisonment and possession of an offensive weapon. He pleaded not guilty to the charge of raping Louise Hunt and is now due to stand trial on the 3rd of March. On the day of the murders, police had been called by Hannah, who told officers she feared she was going to die as she had been shot and her sister and mother had also been attacked. She was found in the main doorway of the house and was still alive when officers arrived at about 9 British Standard Time. Louise's arms and ankles had been tied with duct tape and she had been shot by a crossbow. Their mother had stab wounds to her knee, hands, back and torso. The attack sparked a manhunt, which ended with Clifford being severely injured in Lavender Hill Cemetery in Enfield, how I pronounce it. The killer also served in the military from 2019 for about 3 years, had shot himself in the chest with the crossbow. Hunt and his other daughter, Amy, issued a statement after the attack, saying the devastation we are experiencing cannot be put into words. Absolutely vile, disgusting, monster of a human being, this Kyle Clifford. Why he did what he did, we still don't know. At least I think we don't know anyway. This is the first time I've discovered this story, and it does date back to 2024 when this whole incident began. Suffering with some kind of mental illness from the military, I don't really know. Is that an excuse? Absolutely not. Either way, it does not matter why he did what he did. He's still a vile, disgusting piece of shit, and he deserves to rot for the rest of his life in prison for what he did to not only his ex-girlfriend, but also to her sister and also her mother, and taking away the family of John Hunt, the racing commentator, you know, that being his two daughters and his wife. And for Amy, this guy Kyle Clifford also took away her own mother and her two sisters. So in my opinion, this guy deserves to rot and never see the light of day ever again. So in terms of the law system in the UK and what this guy is being charged with, I don't know what he's expecting in terms of a sentencing, or what he's looking at rather. Obviously he changed his plea to not guilty to guilty now, so maybe his attorneys advised him to change his plea. That way then he could get some sort of deal. I'm just completely speculating with no sort of knowledge whatsoever on this case and on this situation in general, other than what I read. His family have been getting a lot of support from everybody in the community and everybody online and whatnot, which is really great. I'm really glad to see that. They're going to need all the support they can get during this difficult time, and I really like as well that they are overwhelmed with happiness in terms of the support they're getting, if that makes sense, in terms of the victim's family. Obviously it doesn't change matters, but at the same time it's nice to know there are people out there who have read your story or have heard your story on the news and are reaching out to show their support, their kindness and their love, even if you are complete strangers. It's still amazing to me to see that sort of stuff, and even though there are times where you might not have faith in humanity, there are other times where you should probably have faith in humanity in some ways. Thank you very much for tuning in to today's video. Hope you guys, if you guys have any feedback you want to give in the videos, if you guys have anything you want to share in the comment section below, feel free. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Take care, stay safe, bye bye for now.